Hello, what's up guys, welcome to our channel BST African Electronics Surgery on a Monday, January 2023. You know, let's go back in time, maybe 8 years ago. I used to love fixing household appliances, not electronic devices, like fixing ovens, like fixing stoves, microwaves, electrical iron, fans, things like that. So today we have something unique. I don't think I've never fixed something like that on camera. Let me check it. What is this? It's an electrical iron. Wow, that's the iron. And the owner said it's no longer producing it, it just went off. So what can be wrong here on an electrical iron? But before fixing this, let's try to draw the schematics from our own brains. What can be here? Because I don't think we have some electronic components inside this. Let's see. Let's take this aside. So what is here? We do have AC. That's the AC, live and neutral. Maybe here we have a switch, and after the switch, what do we have here? That's our switch. Let's call this live, let's call this one neutral. Okay, that's the switch here. After the switch, we have a thermistor here, thermostat, I don't know, thermostat. Okay, maybe for temperature and the likes. After that, that's the heating element. That's the thing. This thing, thermostat, is acting like a fuse, We must have continuity from this side to this side. In most cases, I found this the problem. This thing, the AC voltage is not passing from one side to another side to heat up this heating element, So that's the thing. Nothing special, just two wires, a switch, thermostat, and the heating element. Here maybe on the input, depending with the 3-pin plug, maybe might have some fuse. Maybe we can check the fuse inside the pin plug. Maybe if the fuse is good and these wires are good, maybe our problem is here on the thermostat. So that's what you will find in an electrical iron. So let's see the problem we have a square 3-pin plug. So what I want to check here, let's open up and check the fuse. I'm sure there's a fuse inside. We do have so many jobs, so I should not take too much time here. You can see maybe 10 amps, 13 amps fuse. Let's check that fuse. We have a test meter there. That's the test meter on the screen. You can see on the test meter 00. So our fuse is good. So my problem is not here. Let's close this up. Let's close it up here, and let's open up, if you can open this, or let's modify this a little bit. I'll cut this and put a 2-pin plug. 1 second, let me look for a 2-pin plug. Okay, so what I've done, I've cut this, you see, there's a 3-pin plug, and we'll replace it with the 2-pin plug. So let's plug in this. Plugged, no light, no anything. Even if you try to adjust, you're gonna see it's not heating up. So let's get inside and see if you can fix this quickly, because I don't have time. That's the thing, I don't have time. Let's see if we are able to fix this. Quickly. What we can do? There's nothing we can do here. Wow. How will I strip this? Any idea? Yes, some clips. Okay. Do you have some clips here? Let's see. No screws. Let's see how we can strip this. Okay, I think I just finished to strip the iron. That's our iron. Let's take this away. Hey, it's very dirty. I think I need to blow up. Need a blower here. Too much dirt inside. Too much dirt inside. Good. So we have the heating element. Obvious. How can I do it? Like this? Maybe. Let's check some wire. Our multimeter is still on diode mode. Let's check from here to see. We have problem with wires. Okay, what about the other one? Here you can see I think we have problem 0 0 the other one 00 after the thermostat okay. Let's check our thermostat. I think it's here. Let's open here and see if we have continuity there. I think everything is stuck here. Let's use first. We can't, so okay, I'll cut here. I'll try to pull it out like this. That's the thing, you see. Let's check that thing. You can see it's not like 00. It must be like this 00. And now you see so that is our problem. That's our problem. This one, that the thermostat is there to act as a temperature sensor, you know, in terms of if your iron is overheating or you have less power. That's the thing. It's called the thermostat. So it's acting as exactly as a fuse. So in this case, our thermostat is gone. So all what you have to do is to bypass this thing and join up this wire. That's all what you have to do. I don't think it's hard. It's not even hard. Very simple. Let's solder that wire to ensure strong join. I know it's not like electronic repairs, it's boring stuff, but that's what we have today. If you are in a country like Zimbabwe, especially a developing country, probably some people they are fixing such kind of things, but in developed countries like UK, USA, I don't think they have time to fix such kind of rubbish things. Because how much is an iron? 10 US or less. They just throw away and buy another one. But here we can't. We have to fix. We can't do that in Zimbabwe. So all is good. So I'll put all together and we come back for testing. Okay, so it took me about 5 minutes to put all together. So it's now time for testing, you know. Let's plug in. Plugged. You can see the LED, and you can't even hold it up. You see, you see the smoke. So our iron is working fine. So yeah, it's getting very hot. So maybe if we are developing countries like Zimbabwe, yeah, we are fixing anything, because we don't have enough money for replacing devices with new ones each and every time. Not everyone can afford that. The majority, they can't. So that was my problem. Thermostat. So I wanted just to show you what I was doing a few years ago. I was fixing also household appliances. So yeah, that's the thing. So probably nothing to learn, but like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.